create an awesome looking portfolio just using Notion. First, create a new page in Notion, upload assets like page icon, page cover, have a great looking title for your Notion page so that it's visually appealing, and then start playing around with columns to make it more, split your content and make it look better with all the white space and everything. So you can add your portfolio description on one side, and in the other column you can add your databases of all your skill sets, table and certifications that you have done. Certainly Notion is endless. You can think so many creative ways to highlight each of the items. The only thing which you can't do in Notion is when you share your Notion URLs are ugly with random slugs. So what you can do is, if you want to use a custom domain, you can use tools like bullet.so to have a custom domain. You can have a great performance using Bullet. With plain Notion website, you can't give super good performance for your website. Notion is, as everyone knows, Notion's static pages are slower. So you can use Bullet to optimize it, load it under very high speeds. You can do tons of optimizations in terms of SEO